FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. While Amber Heard's attorney delivered closing arguments Friday in the ongoing trial involving her and Johnny Depp, a noise initially believed to be an Amber Alert interrupted the proceedings in the courtroom. Depp is suing Heard for $50 million in damages for defamation over a December 2018 op-ed she wrote about coming forward with abuse allegations, though she didn't mention him by name in the article. In turn, Heard is countersuing him for defamation, seeking $100 million in damages. The Aquaman actress's attorney Ben Rottenborn was summarizing her case when the alert interrupted him. There appears to be an Amber Alert, Judge Benioz Karate said. People are getting it on their phones that haven't silenced them. The disruption was later found to be a notification about a storm in the surrounding area of Fairfax, Virginia. On Friday, the ex's respective attorneys began presenting their final remarks, summarizing much of the allegations on either side thus far since proceedings kicked off April 11. You either believe all of it, or none of it, Depp's attorney, Camille Vasquez, said of Heard's allegations of abuse against Depp, 58. Either she's a victim of truly horrific abuse or she's a woman who's willing to say absolutely anything. She also accused Heard, 36, of profound cruelty, and of coming into this courtroom prepared to give the performance of her life, and she gave it. Heard's attorney Rottenborn said in part during his own closing remarks, if he abused her one time, Amber wins, and accused Depp of having almost all of his witnesses on his payroll. Let's see the monster. Let's see the monster in the flesh, Rottenborn added, before playing the video of Depp slamming cabinets in the former couple's kitchen. On Thursday, Heard testified about alleged death threats she's received. Every single day, I have to relive the trauma, she said. Perhaps it's easy to forget that, but I'm a human being. To stay up to date on the best of what has to offer, from juicy celebrity news to compelling human interest stories. She continued, I am harassed, humiliated, threatened every single day. Even just walking into this courtroom, sitting here in front of the world, having the worst parts of my life, things that I've lived through, used to humiliate me. People want to kill me, and they tell me so every day. People want to put my baby in the microwave, and they tell me that, said Heard, who welcomed her first baby in April 2021. Johnny threatened, promised me, that if I ever left him, had made me think of him every single day that I lived. In his final testimony on Wednesday, Depp spoke to how Heard's accusations affected his life and said her insane testimony was false. No human being is perfect, certainly not. None of us. But I have never in my life committed sexual battery, physical abuse, all these outlandish, outrageous stories of me committing these things and living with it for 6 years and waiting to be able to bring the truth out, he said, later adding, this is not easy for any of us, I know that.